Outdoors is brought to you by MUSKIES Inc., Foley Bellsaw Outdoors, Jack Daniels, Great Clips, Joe's Sporting Goods, SKEETER Boat Center, SKEETER Boats, YAMAHA.
I am MUSKIES Inc. Yeah!
I am MUSKIES Inc.
I am MUSKIES Inc.
I am MUSKIES Inc.
I am MUSKIES Inc. I am.
I am MUSKIES Inc.
No, I am MUSKIES Inc. And you can be too. Call us 888-710-8286.
Hi, I'm Mike Keys, and I have a special offer to share with you today. Two great sponsors of ours have teamed up to offer you, the skilled fisherman, a great opportunity to take some action and pursue a career in fishing. Foley Bellsaw Outdoors will be at Joe's Sporting Goods April 21st and 22nd for the first of its kind, perfect for new guides, established guides, and tournament anglers. Stop dreaming about working in the fishing industry and take action.
Honey, what are you doing? I thought you were getting your hair cut at Great Clips.
I am. Already checked in.
How?
Their sweet online check-in app. Why wait around there for a haircut when I can work on my bod here? I got a few more minutes. And pump it and squeeze it. Ooh, smile at me.
Introducing the online check-in app from Great Clips. No more waiting around, because now we'll be waiting for you. Great Clips, it's gonna be great.
Americans, we're the creators of things born of an independent spirit, designers of the great, architects of the useful, composers of the loud, builders of the beautiful. We live in a country that lets people make things they believe in, and that's as American as, well,
planks that we gotta check out over here. Across one of the big cracks. It doesn't look very safe looking.
What are you thinking there, bud?
I don't know, it's pretty hairy. March, 60 degrees and raining. I don't like the looks of this ice crack. If you guys want to come check this out, I guess that's what it takes to put some hogbillies on the ice, but I'm not liking the looks of this right now.
We'll see.
My heart is pounding. So this was plan A to cross this to get to our fish. I think we're gonna go with plan B, and let me show you why. Look at this right here. This water is, I'm not even touching there. So as crazy as we are, we're not stupid. So we're gonna go with plan B, and we're gonna go catch them anyways. White knuckle driving.
These guys are on, and they are dialed in on some monster pike. We're excited about it. They got some 40 inchers yesterday. Earlier this week they got a 45.
Always leave your windows cracked too, guys. You go in, you got to get out. You just snap the window. At least that's the plan anyways. Hey everybody, welcome to Keys Outdoors. Like I said, another exciting adventure up here on Lake of the Woods up by War Row, Minnesota. And what's happening is it's the middle of March, and what's happening is we're starting to get the ice melt here. We're starting to get these tributaries, these small rivers that feed into Lake of the Woods are starting to have water flow. Once that water flow starts to happen, these pike will stage on these big, huge sand flats out here and make their way up the creek, getting ready to do their spawn. And we're here to ambush them and pick them off and hopefully catch some monster pike today on Keys Outdoors. Let's get it done now, boys. What's the game plan?
Well, plan A was not so good. Plan B is, it's looking really good. As you can see, we got about 4 inches of water. We drove through about 8 feet and slap at the base, we're gonna catch them. So I'm gonna drill some holes. We're gonna set some big tooths down. We're going fishing. Let's do it. Yeah, you know, we have, I mean, obviously the weather conditions aren't ideal, but we have, you know, 2.5 good ice, so we're not, you know, risking anything. The biggest thing is just getting onto this ice and getting off it. So as you can see this morning, we drove through some pretty open water, but we're out here, we're the only ones, and that's when magic happens. So let's hope that it does. Fish on, baby. Fish on. First one of the day, guys. First one. All right, there we go, baby. First one, Lake of the Woods. It's not a big one. It's been pouring rain out here. And I'll just lighten up. We actually saw one on the camera swim by and we said, here comes the fleet, but I don't know what's going on here.
There she's running. Nice.
Nice fish. Yeah. Nice fish. Now we got things going, huh, boys? What do we say? It's well, 1 o'clock on the dot here. That's not that big one, but just to get us started.
That's a nice one.
Hey, what do you think?
Betcha.
That's a good start. You know, we got that one little one. We saw some on the camera. And nice chunker.
That. Look at the jig in the side of its mouth. That's not ours.
The poor walleye fisherman that lost this fish should have been fishing with a big tooth fluorocarbon. Got him? Yep.
Nice one. Like a nice one, Mike?
Not too big.
We got a little shaker. Whoa!
She's running, she's running, she's running.
Look at that water.
Here it comes.
Nice
that's a nice one, man.
That's what we came out here to catch. Now we had a few more inches, but you know what? It's just an absolute blast. Alright.
She's running, she's running.
Wow! Yeah.
Smoking skin.
This feels pretty good. Good.
Feels like a good one, Josh?
Yep.
Yep.
See you down there? Yeah, here she comes.
Nice head on that. Nice head. Nice head.
Hey.
Nice one. Yeah, baby.
Right in the live well. Look at the water rushes. Come grab your fish, Josh. That's a dandy.
Big fish. That's what we come up here for, boys.
Absolutely.
Dandy pike.
30, 35, 36. You got him? You got him?
Yeah, he's got
him.
Nice one, buddy.
Nice.
Oh my God, fix that drag.
Yeah, tighten that, Dude.
Don't lose him.
You got him?
Yeah, he's
Is it tanker?
Does it feel good?
I can't really tell with this rod. Feels nice.
It feels good?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Okay. Is he caught up?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Is he caught up right there?
There we got him. Get him. Oh!
What do I got there?
Oh! Yeah. Welcome to the crew, buddy. Yeah. Hold that thing up.
Dave, you take them.
Catch. Oh, that's a nice one.
Can you tell us about the technique that you used to catch that?
Wait.
Yeah. How big is it?
How big is it?
Oh, that's it.
How big is it?
Sucker.
Closed captioning is provided by the Skeeter Boat Center.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike Keys of Keys Outdoors, here to tell you about the MX1825 Skeeter boat, powered by Yamaha. I've had a whole season now under my belt in this boat, and it is truly the ultimate 18-foot fishing boat. You're talking about deals? This is the sweetest deal on the market, and you can get this sweet deal at my good friends up at the Skeeter Boat Center, located in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. See for yourself why this boat is so impressive. I guess I've always known that I've had NCF. I just didn't realize how bad I had it. I mean, it would always come and go, but this year it's like it lingered. This is real. This isn't like restless leg syndrome. This is NCF. NCF. Then a friend told me about how he helped himself fight against NCF by just making simple changes on the way you do things can change everything. And boy, I'm glad I did. This is the Revo Shad, a revolutionary new swim bait that looks and acts like the real thing. 3D lifelike finishes and 8 proven musky colors, designed to trigger predators and make them eat. Go to reactionstrike.com and learn about the Keys Outdoors Value Pack. Hey guys, buy 3 and get the 4th one free plus shipping. Go to www.reactionstrike.com. Hey everybody, welcome. It's day 2. We're up here on Lake of the Woods, once again chasing monster pike through the ice. None of this would be possible without the help from Big Tooth Tackle Company. Tell you what guys, you guys pioneered a lot of cool, innovative tackle for this style of fishing.
Yeah, exactly. You know, the concept is that we're using is with quick strike rigs.
quick strike rig that you see right here has been around a long time, but what we've done is modified it. We built it a lot tougher, and this year we came out with the new fluorocarbon and 100-pound fluorocarbon, and it's been working real well for us.
All right, we're going to talk a little bit, Josh, right now. First, let's talk about the bait that we're using.
Yeah, this is Atlantic herring. We get it from the East Coast. You know, right now we can't use tulipy or smelt on Lake of the Woods, so we got to get it from elsewhere, which is, you know, a little bit of a challenge. But you know, they're working on some new ways to get some bait up here, and you know, we like dead bait more so than live suckers. So you know, this is what we found that works best for us. And
now let's talk about the harness, the big tooth tackle harness, and how you're rigging these.
Yeah, exactly. You know, we just tied directly to our swivel on top. You don't need to add a leader or anything, because you know, each leg on the rig itself acts as your leader, and basically you just take one hook and slide it in right behind the head, and then with the other hook slide it on the other side of the body, right
before the dorsal.
Right before the dorsal. Yep.
And one of the things that I noticed that you're doing, you're actually setting up those hooks in the opposite direction.
Yeah,
you're
exactly.
Not putting them in on the same side.
Yeah, it just gives you more options. So you got, you know, 2 hooks on one side, or 3 hooks on one side and 3 hooks on the other. Instead.
Now the blades on this, that is mandatory here in Minnesota.
Yeah, I think they're starting to change the laws, but a bead or a blade within an inch or 2 of your hook makes it a lure. So okay. that's how we have to have them. So. And
then what tensile strength are you using on the fluorocarbon?
All the fluorocarbon is 100-pound fluorocarbon, and we haven't had one issue with it yet, so it's solid.
Tell the folks out there, if they would like to you know, do this style of fishing, where can they get the big tooth products? You know, you guys do sell to a lot of stores.
Yeah, exactly. You know, you can go to our website. We have a lot of stores listed on our some of our website pages. Mostly we're in Minnesota and the western side of Wisconsin. Some stuff in Canada and some stuff in North Dakota. But if you get a hold of us, you can email us too, and we can let you know what bait shops in your area carry our stuff. So.
Hey everybody, I'll tell you what, I'm really excited about a new product that we just got in. It's the AquaView Micro. And I'll tell you what, this unit is so compact, so easy to use, and I just can't even wait until musky fishing for the applications that we're going to be able to use this for. With the new AquaView Micro, it's going to be so easy. Just throw the camera down and it's going to be able to identify real simply and quick what I'm looking for, what kind of structure I'm fishing for. Again, check it out. The AquaView Micro, sold at Joe's Sporting Goods.
Oh yeah, dandy! Ooh, this is a nice one. Oh, get him, Mikey! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Yes! Whew.
I'll tell you what, baby. All right. Nice. What a dandy. What a nice fish. Solid fish. All right, guys, let's put this on the board here. Oh, what a beast. 38.
No.
Is it? 38 and a half. 38 and a half inch. What a pike. Look at this beast. Musky Tackle Online. Big Game Tackle brings you 5 new exclusive Keys Outdoors custom colors for 2012. Exclusive MTO colors in the legendary 9-inch Big Game handcrafted Balsa Twitch baits. Can we say slime time? Oh yeah. Go to Musky Tackle Online and see why they're fast becoming #1 in online shopping.
Human beings cannot see UV light. However, fish and birds can see UV light. And there's a material that we're adding to some of our baits now that actually helps the bait reflect more ultraviolet light. So it's very natural for a fish, like a predator, like a muskie, to see UV light under the water. It makes sense to have this UV reflective material, you know, on your baits or in your product like this.
Everybody's got a job out here. My job is actually cleaning out the holes. You know, you want to be quick and effective. We want to get set up. What we do is set up a big perimeter, and as certain areas of that perimeter are starting to go off, we start to squeeze all these baits in closer to the areas that are doing well. But we spread it out, make a big circle, and then we start squeezing things in as certain areas start to perform better than others.
Well, one of my favorite things to do out here when I got clients out here especially is the lunch. It's the most important meal of the day, in my opinion, because half the time we're out here too early to eat breakfast. I also cook breakfast on the ice, but food is a big part. It makes it easy for clients and clientele. You know, they don't have to worry about prepping too much. Brings snacks and pop, and that's about it. I can supply the rest.
It feels like there's weight there, but it just feels like...
Yeah, that bait feels pretty heavy on that. Holy. If it feels...
You took it a long ways.
There. Got him! Big one?
I can't tell. Oh, it is a nice fish.
All right.
Here he comes.
Nice. Yeah. Oh.
Woo! Jeez, that's crazy as can be. I didn't feel nothing for a long time, man.
Yeah.
All of a sudden they come out nice, thick, heavy little fish. Man, that was pretty crazy.
I'm the Arctic Warrior, Timba.
Flag up there, fair. Grab it, Josh.
Right, he's there. Good.
We're on, boys.
We're on. Game on.
What do you got, Josh?
You got a good Pike, I think.
Oh yeah.
Dandy.
Yeah.
We got major
action going on now, man.
There. There's a pig.
Look at that. Look at that.
That is a beauty.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, what a tank.
That is a tanker.
Yeah, it's so heavy right now. This is so cool.
Alright, we're gonna let this guy go.
Nice fish, Dave. Nice fish, buddy.
Let her go. Let her come back and be here someday with these guys again. There she goes, boys.
That's a toad.
It almost looks...
Probably not, probably about the same as Mike's though, huh? For
lengthwise, yeah.
fat that thing is. Yeah, it's huge. That's a big fish. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Awesome. Hey, way to go. Yeah, that's great. Awesome.
What a great time Dave and I had with the boys from Big Tooth Tackle, chasing monster muskies through the ice. You know, these are the tales that will be told to our grandkids, getting their blood flowing as they head out on their own adventures, as they head north on a lake called Lake of the Woods. Well, everybody, that concludes this week's show of Keys Outdoors up here, Lake of the Woods, chasing monster pikes. Special thanks to Mike Crawford, Mike Crawford's Guide Service, Big Tooth Tackle, the makers of some of the most awesome big toothy critter rigs out there, man. And I'll tell you what, also a special thanks to Super 8 Motels up here in War Road, Minnesota. If you're looking for a great place to stay, very affordable, centrally located.
Welcome to the World Super 8, where fishermen are always welcome.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike Keys. I don't know where we're going to be, but I do guarantee you this, like always, it will be an adventure. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next week.
Keys Outdoors is brought to you by MUSKIES Inc., Foley Bellsaw Outdoors, Jack Daniels, Great Clips, Joe's Sporting Goods, Skeeter Boat Center, Skeeter Boats, Yamaha. The official taxidermist of Keys Outdoors online magazine is Lax Reproduction. Is it live or is it lax?